Hi, welcome to Crystal Energy Basics. I'm your instructor, Jennifer Salness, and I'm so honored to have you here today and looking forward to working with you to teach you really the basics in a foundational level of how to work with crystals and stones from an energetic perspective. I'm an intuitive and crystal intuitive and energy healer, and I've been working with crystals and stones formally for over 15 years, but really informally my whole life, and have discovered many different ways to work with them, and really am looking forward to teaching you the basics about how to work with crystals and stones in your everyday life, or in addition to your current wellness practice, whether it's for yourself or as an energy healer, a massage therapist, or any sort of alternative holistic healing practice. So, as we all know, crystals and stones have been around forever and have been used throughout the centuries for many different purposes. The tribal cultures have used them, the Aborigines and Incans have used them. They have been used as jewelry and as crowns for signs of status and wealth. In the Renaissance, they were used as paints. In the Chinese traditions, they are used as a form of good luck and prosperity. There's lots of different ways that they've been used over the ages, and now, obviously, we all know that they're in cell phones and clocks and computers, and they all have such various ways that they're used, and we can really tap in and use them in our everyday life if we so choose. So in this course, we're going to go through a few different things that you need to know to move forward to work with crystals and stones. We're going to talk about how to choose them, how to clear them and keep their energy clear and optimal. We're going to talk about sensing energy and how to kind of start to feel their energies. We're going to talk about how to work with them using your chakras, or in addition to your chakras. And we're going to go through a list of 12 different crystals and stones that I think every person should have in their collection to work with. There's so much more included in the course, and I'm really excited to share all this information with you and hope that you find some value in it, and will take this course and start on what is a wonderful path using crystals and stones